This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I'm going to demonstrate that you can enable and configure the fingerprint unlock method for your screen. So firstly, launch settings, onwards enter the passwords and security, then tap at the fingerprint unlock, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to have, and well, set it up. Then you can start adding your fingerprint. As you could have already noticed, the sensor is located at the side power key. So simply continuously lay and lift your finger at and out of from the fingerprint scanner until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be enrolled. Then, once this process is done, you can start unlocking the screen of your device with your own fingerprint. As you can see, other fingerprints will not work, only the one that you have scanned and enrolled. The next option I wanted to show you can find in the display category of settings. It is called the refresh rate, and you can switch it between the values of 60 and 90 Hz. Higher value will get you more clarity, visual clarity, and provide you with smoother animations and silkier visuals in general. But at the same time, it will drain your power at the swifter or quicker rate. So if you would like to conserve battery, you can set it to be at 60 Hz if maintaining sufficient power consumption is none of your concern and you would much rather prefer to have smoother visuals. Just set it to the high value of 90 Hz. The next option that I have, you can find it the always on display and lock screen category, and it is the always on display itself. So open its page, turn it on by altering this toggle over here. Now you can pick what design or what theme you would like to have. There are quite a few default themes you can choose from, or you can create your custom theme by uploading whatever image you would like to have at your AOD. Then you can change the text color, clock position, and displayed items. Let's preview the AOD that we have set up and hear what it looks like. The next option that I wanted to share is how it's rather a small one, and is how you can add the battery percentage to the status bar over here. So you will not only have the visual representation of the power you have left, but also be able to look at the precise numbers. So in order to do that, launch settings again, enter the notifications and control center, then open the status bar page, open the battery indicator, and set it to be either inside the battery icon or right next to it. And final tip that I have is the performance related tip. Actually, that's how you can improve and increase your system performance. It's through enabling the memory extension feature. So in order to do that, enter the additional settings category, go for the memory extension, then select the amount of gigabytes you would like to increase your random access memory for, and reboot the device in order for those changes to be properly enrolled. And after your phone gets restarted, you'll get additional however many gigabytes you went for as per virtual random access memory, allowing you to use more apps simultaneously without slowing your system too much, and overall having a positive effect on your system performance. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to leave a like. If you have any questions or concerns, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. And I guess I'll see you around. Bye bye.